Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name's Katie. Hi if you're new. Hello if you're not so new. Hello if you've been with me for ever. Today I thought I would do a little bit of a haul on a subscription box that I actually get. It's a beauty one and it is by a company called Glossy box. This isn't sponsored, by the way. This is actually, I actually do get these. I used to get some crafting subscription boxes, but for the price of 1 month of that crafting subscription box I could get 3 of these, so I basically just changed over. So this is the Glossy box for June, and I thought I would open it up with you and go through what we get in there. So you do get a quite nice box, and again I'll pop all of the details of where you can have a look at the Glossy box website, etc., down below in the description box. So obviously you get your nice little box. It's all nicely decorated, and then it comes, I have had a little sneak peek, so it comes with some tissue paper, a little sticker, and some nice grosgrain ribbon that you can use for anything else really. So just open that up, and then firstly inside you get a lovely little description card of everything that you get. So it tells you all about the cosmetics and things that you get in here. Now for me this is great because I actually use everything in there. I like to use everything in there, whereas with other subscription boxes I don't usually use everything that's in there. So this to me is invaluable, and they come in great sizes as well. So first off I'm going to show you one of the things that we got, and it tells you basically the RRP and everything in here. So we've actually got the Wilkinson Sword Intuition FAB razor, and this retails at £12 per razor. Oh, I forgot to tell you how much the box was. I think it's something like £9 something per month, but you can pay in big blocks if you wanted to. So basically that in itself is RRP'd at £12, and it basically is a razor, so I'm going to give that a whirl. The next thing that we've got, I shall pick out. Ooh, dearie me. In fact, I'll show you as well. This is how it kind of comes as well after you open it. I just show you that there, and then you get all your bits and pieces. So you get all of this. So, you know, Christmas isn't that far around the corner. You can keep these boxes and use them for Christmas, or you could put your cosmetics in there if you wanted to. This is a Larizzi Cosmetics, and it's a Shade Sticks bronzer stick, and it's basically for your contouring. And it says on here that this particular size is £18 RRP, and it says for a healthy glow this Shade Sticks from French Canadian brand is a must. It's a fabulous multitasker. It makes perfect bronzer and cream contour that's both highly pigmented and long lasting. I've not actually tried it yet. I have had a look at it and swatched it. So this is what you get. You get like a nice sort of pan style stick, and you have your bronzer inside. I'm just going to do a bit of a swatch for you there. So that you can use that for your cream contour or even a little bit of a bronzer. So if I just kind of blend that out a little bit, and then you can see it's quite nice. So, and it's a nice soft creamy texture, so I cannot wait to give that a whirl. So we have got that, and then next in here, just get my little list, we have got a eye cool gel, which is here, and it's Monu Skin Eye Cool Gel, and it's for all types, which is fantastic because I actually use an eye contour when I take all my makeup off at night. I use like an eye gel, and I actually use the ring fingers just to sort of pop it on around there, because these fingers are actually give you less pressure, and sort of this is very sort of sensitive and very delicate skin around your eyes, so you need to be very careful. So I cannot wait to give this a go. And basically it says we've been it says say au revoir to dark circles and look forward to hydrated bright eyes. So I cannot wait to use that. The next piece that we've got in here, oh, and that retails at £24.95 for 15 mils, and that is a 15 mil tub. So basically, you know, I mean, we're getting quite a bit for our money here. So to say that that was just £9 for the whole, £9.90 I think for the whole box. It's fantastic. And these are fragrance free, wheat free and paraben free. So perfect. So the next thing that I have got is the Nip and Fab Exfoliate Glycolic Scrub Fix Exfoliant Glycolic Fix Triple Action Facial Polish Exfoliant Visible Triple Action, and this retails for £9.95 for a 75 ml. So this is a 50 ml, so this would be just slightly less, I would think, but perfect size to take with you if you are traveling or anything like that. So it says a 3-in-1 micro exfoliant with glycolic and salicylic something acids to refine, brighten and renew. So I'm going to give that a whirl. The last thing that we have got is Mystic Black Deep Hair Mask, and this is 100 grams, and for a kilogram of this it's £11.95, and it's basically a hair mask. I cannot wait to try this because obviously with me dyeing my hair etc, it does get quite dry on the ends, so this is going to be quite a good product to use. I'm just gonna, oh, it smells fabulous, a bit like honeysuckle and peaches. Really nice, really nice. So I cannot wait to give that a go. So that is my glossy box that I get each month. I'll just hold up the lid here. Glossy box. Thumbnail. Yeah, so it's just a great way of kind of testing out new products without actually going in and having to actually fork out for the whole thing, and you get to try out some of the bits and pieces as well. I've got a face mask I think from the last one that I had, so but it's amazing. So I would definitely recommend you have a look at Glossy Box, and I cannot wait to bring you my July's box. So I think this is going to be quite a regular thing, so yeah, great. So have a great day. I hope your weekend is going fabulously. I've just cut the grass. I am now going to, after doing this, I'm going to go out and do a barbecue, and then tomorrow, well, I might make a video about tomorrow, but it's all very exciting. I'll tell you in a little bit. I'm learning to drive. So it's my first lesson tomorrow. I'm a little bit nervous, but we should be fine. Anyway, have fun, enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I shall see you on the next show. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Take care. Keep creative.